Welcome to a family art workshop presented by WheatonArts. Today we are going to be creating an art inspiration wheel. The required materials include cardstock or lightweight cardboard for your wheel base and layers, paper for planning your prompts, a pair of scissors, markers, colored pencils or crayons, a brad fastener, nylon washers, scrap cardstock for your spinner arrow, an optional ruler, a pencil, and circular objects of different sizes for tracing. Trace and cut out a large circle from cardstock or cardboard. This will be the base of your wheel. Then trace and cut out 2 to 4 smaller circles that will stack on top of the base. Each layer should be slightly smaller than the one beneath it so that all the layers are visible when assembled. Use a ruler to divide each circle into equal sections like slices of a pie. On each wheel layer, write a different category of prompts. My first layer is going to tell us what colors we are going to use in the project, including a section for black and white, bright colors, dark colors, and to use all colors of the rainbow. My second layer is going to tell us our subject with a section for flower, animal, fruit, and insect. And my final layer will tell us the background of our project, including a section for the beach, the city, the forest, and the sky. Use markers or colored pencils to decorate each section. You can color code categories or add illustrations to make your wheel more engaging and visually clear. Draw and cut a small arrow shape from scrap cardstock. Make sure that the arrow can point clearly to each section of the wheel. To begin assembling the wheel, carefully create a hole in the center of each layer. Then cut out a small circle from the scrap cardstock to help the arrow rotate easily. Then stack the circles from largest to smallest and align their centers with the arrow at the top. Place a small nylon washer between each layer to create space and reduce friction so the layers can spin freely. Push a brad fastener through the center of the arrows, layers, and washers. Fasten the brad loosely on the back, making sure that everything can rotate smoothly without being too tight. Now let's use our art inspiration wheel by spinning the wheel layers and the arrow. Wherever the arrow lands on each layer identifies the prompts you will use. Combine those selections to create your artwork. Thank you for joining us, and please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.